Hello and welcome to PackWiseGear. So today is a special video because we're going to look at a new drop from AER. It's AER, the company based out of San Francisco, on a pouch. You can say a tech pouch or a DAP kit or / daily EDC pouch. Obviously we're not talking about this today because we already talked about it. We did a review on Clued pouch from evergoods, but today we are going to do a comparison video of Clued pouch by evergoods with the new AER Simple Kit, and just got launched I think last week, and I believe it's, if I'm not mistaken, priced around $39, which is a little bit on the higher side, but we'll look into that. Why is that the case in comparison with evergoods product? And this is already packed out, so we're going to take the stuff out of here and put it right here, and we'll figure out how we can utilize this. So before further ado, let's dive into this and look this at more closely. Keep watching PackWiseGear. So let's talk about AER a little bit. So AER is based out of San Francisco, a bag company, because we are doing our first review by AER. So let's talk a little bit about them. And they founded in San Francisco 2014. They really make nice products. Some of their products have the cult. If you look at their backpacks, people really love them, follow them. They believe in clean designs, smart organizations like this, and long-lasting materials. They do offer lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects, and usually their designs are very smarter, modern style, and thoughtful functionality, and both from organization perspective. So what we are looking at is a simple kit recently launched by them. They launched 2 products actually in the last couple of months. One was the gym tote, and the second one was this. I'm more focused on the pouches, so I purchased this one, actually a couple of them, and just want to share this with you guys. They do send these stickers with every product purchase. At least I'm getting them from them. I have quite a few of them. Nice stickers and nice designs, to tell you frankly. And so this has 2. So let's look into this product from outside. So it has 2 AquaGuard zippers, 2 compartments. Total capacity, as per on their website, is 1.2 liter. Dimensions is 9 inches by 4.5 inches, and the weight is about 45 grams, really lightweight. It's made up of this material, Ultra200X, same fabric as evergoods, and it's similar to X-Pack. It's a sailcloth, very ultralight, high performant, water resistant, I will say a little bit waterproof as well. And it's great, and the quality is fantastic. Zipper pulls are fantastic, the big zipper pulls. I think if I'll buy it, and I'll utilize it, but I think the price point of it for $39 a little bit high. I think the good price point is, evergoods got this for $35. I will say they have 2 prices on this, depending on the color, believe it or not. The pink orange color is $55. This one is $35. And this one is $39. I will say, around, $29. This should be the pricing of these pouches, assuming the materials are high quality, assuming ultra fabric. Just a pouch, simple pouch. So let's look into this. So let's go internal organization. So we have this front pocket, AquaGuard zippers, nice big zipper pulls, mesh pocket in the back, and then we have Ultra with some film lining internally on this side. I like this mesh, good idea, but let's see how it looks from on the other compartment. This is the main compartment. So piping up on the top, same mesh which is on that pocket facing here, and ultra fabric. The lining inside is some kind of film. Similar film was used here, but I feel like this is a little bit thicker than what they have. Here they have ultra fabric tag here and nothing else. So no branding per se by AER by any means. So I just opened this up right now and it came up with this tags, AER branding tag. So this is Simple Kit, one kit, endless possibilities. We already talked about this. Sailcloth Ultra200X YKK waterproof zippers. We use for tech, top kits, EDC. Expandable for bulkier items, looping for hanging or carrying. And then we have dimensions and 1.2 liter. Already talked about. Talks a little bit about ultra cloth here. And then special edition and more descriptions on durability of ultra and what this made up of. And says here 15x stronger than steel. Part of their ultra collection. They do have ultra collection. They have X-Pack collection. Various collections they have. So let's do a pack out. So I have already packed Clued ultra pouch. So we're going to take stuff out of here and put it here. So my main pocket is the blue one. Well, remember we did that. We have two different identifiers for different pockets. Z construction, no Z construction. Though there is a Z construction here too, but not in the. It's more like a U construction, but we'll see. Okay, so let's get stuff out and we'll start from the main compartment. So here I have 100-watt charger, I have a 100-watt cable, collapsible, and multiple charging cables I have. So let's start with the bigger pocket. And we'll start putting the 100-watt laptop brick and then portable power bank and then Peak Design mobile tripod, and then we have 100-watt cable by DeWalt. This is very good, guys. Home Depot sells it. Nice. This is a freebie I got from the conference, but pretty handy, especially on the items so still on old ports and cables. So I want to utilize. So you see how I am packing this is I want to utilize this pocket. So let's open up the smaller pocket. I'll put my pens in there. Sharpie Caddy, new version V2, designed by me. This is right at any angle air compressed pen, fountain pen. So now you can see here that this is getting a little tighter, but I still have capacity in the back. So this is all I had in this. So I'm going to revert to my other pocket and take out. So I have my wallet, flashlight, and multi-tool. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So multi-tool can fit with the pens, and maybe I can put a small charging cable on the side here so I can reach my pens easily if I have to. Close that one out. And now the bigger pocket, I can keep my flashlight. I can also utilize my flashlight, hook it right here, or pick a different one with the hook. I have another one, but it's fine. And then I can put my wallet at the back here so I can have unique access to it. And throw my, so guys, So this is it. So I'm utilizing the capacity. So this is 1.2 liter. This is how the structure looks after filling it out. Still some room available. I can put stuff in this area and still be able to close it. And this was, you guys have seen, this was fully packed out. I'm trying to, you know, analyze with you guys. If I have to do a verdict on this, I think this is a little bit more capacity than that for sure. Better durability. So if you look at fluid pouch, the film is a little bit thin what they have in there, assuming it's the same film. They do have a mesh lining between the two pockets, which kind of helps because you can even put your sunglasses glass facing the mesh, which will give some additional protection. So yeah, so you know, that's a simple pack out. I like it. I like it, you know, and of course the size is it's kind of equal to cap 1 of evergoods. Standing on its own can be utilized as a desk caddy. You can't fit iPad. It will be interesting because it has the height of 9 inches. So I'm going to do a test. I don't have my iPad mini here right now, but that will be interesting to be completely empty if you can throw in an iPad mini and AirPods in there. So you know, so this is a tech pouch pack out with a little bit of writing capabilities, but I feel like this can be utilized for as a dock kit, EDC essentials, you know, and can be used as a standalone desk caddy, and also can be utilized to put on a side pocket in the backpack as well. So I'm thinking of a con here, guys. I really don't, other than the price, because capacity looks good, structure looks good, structure retain itself pretty well, fabric is durable, as they say, lifetime warranty. You know, hanging mechanisms, which we haven't seen in the evergoods. I think the only thing I could think of is there's no patch. Other than that, it's if I put a Velcro here, and this patch will look nice on this one. Good job, AER. Good job. You know, initially when I looked at it, I was like, not. I'll say, yeah, what I can do with this one, but it has capacity, so that is a key. So let me know what you guys think in the description below. So this was a quick video on the new drop by AER, and we did a pack out and a capacity test compared to Clued Ultra Pouch versus another Ultra Pouch in the market. Looks like the both brands, they align themselves well, how they're going to release this back and you know, almost 1 month apart from each other. And yeah, I like it. Of course, longevity test is not there, but it definitely, I feel like it's going to serve the use case, and people will utilize it. All right, thank you guys. Keep watching the channel, and subscribe, like the video, share with your friends. I think this is the only unique video we have on Simple Kit by AER. So we'll love your feedback, comments, and if you need any additional videos, let me know, guys. Thank you.